guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about decorators in Python. Decorator is a function that takes another function as an input and returns a new function. It is a powerful tool for extending the functionality of the existing function without modifying their source code. Let's say we have a function called say hello to print the hello message. But apart from printing hello, I want to add some more functionalities. Like before hello, it has to print good morning, and after hello, it has to print bye message. So to do that, let's write a decorator. This decorator will take the function as an argument, and then you have to write a wrapper. Inside wrapper, you want to write the logic, whatever you want to add additional. So let's take this thing, and as said, first I have to say good morning, and then I'll call a function which is nothing but our function hello function, and then I'll say bye message. So to use this decorator, on top of the function name you have to use @ symbol followed by the decorator name. Now if we execute it, it will first say good morning and then hello and then bye. So the primary importance of this decorator is you can use in logging events. Let's say you have a network system, you want to log the multiple events like user authentication, mail sent, so many events will be there. For all these events, you will be using some general messages on top of it. Instead of repeating the general messages, you can put that in a decorator and you can call the decorator on top of all these functions. So let's say log decorator. This will take a function as set, and then I'm going to call the wrapper. Now here I'm going to use some arguments. So I'm using this keyword and non-keyword arguments. If you have followed our channel, we have already covered this keyword and non-keyword arguments. So first we are printing something like I'm going to call this function. This function can be anything. So with arguments, non-keyword arguments this and keyword arguments, and then I am going to call my function event, and then I am going to say whatever the returned result. Here I am going to return the wrapper. So let's say my event is user authentication, and here my parameter is going to be username, timestamp, authentication, success equal to true. Okay, let's use this part only. So here I'm going to return this message if its authentication is success or if it is failed here. As said, to use this our decorator, we have to use log decorator. Yeah. Now to call this function, followed by some name, timestamp, and then we have our keyword argument. So yeah, first it has went to the wrapper function and it is saying what is the function name we are calling. Here you can change this function name according to your event. Here it is a user authentication event. If suppose it is a different user remote deletion event or email sent event, you can modify accordingly. So these messages cannot be repeated. Instead you can use the decorator. And then it has called our function followed by the returning value. So one of the other example of using decorator is in the web frameworks like Django and Flask, where we will be using it for adding routes. So hope you had a good learning in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to learn more from our channel. Thank you.